Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to compare Samsung Galaxy A50 and Samsung Galaxy M40 as these phones fall in the same price bracket. The Galaxy A50 was launched back in March, so it's been more than 2 months and now Samsung's M40 is launched. So what's the difference? To know that, do watch the complete video. The Galaxy M40 sports a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus Infinity O LCD display with Gorilla Glass 3 protection and a punch hole housing a front-facing camera. The panel also features Samsung's screen sound technology that produces audio vibrations rather than using a traditional speaker. And Samsung Galaxy A50 features a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity U display with Gorilla Glass 3 protection. So consuming content on both the devices is a visual treat. But the LCD panel on M40 might be a turn-off at this price point. The Galaxy M40 has a triple rear camera setup that features a 32-megapixel primary sensor with an f1.7 lens, a 5-megapixel depth sensor and an 8-megapixel sensor with an ultra-wide-angle lens. On the front there is a 16-megapixel sensor for taking selfies. Likewise, Galaxy A50 features a triple camera array towards the back, comprising a 25-megapixel f1.7 standard shooter, a 5-megapixel depth sensor, and a 8-megapixel wide-angle lens with a 123° of field of view. For selfies, the smartphone comes with a 25-megapixel f2.0 sensor. So more or less these seem similar on paper, but to get a detailed view you have to watch some other dedicated video on the camera. Coming to battery, Galaxy M40's battery is rated at 3500 mAh and supports up to 15W fast charging, which was shocking as M series smartphones are known for its 5000 mAh battery and it comes with USB Type-C port. As for battery life on the Samsung Galaxy A50, it ships with a 4000 mAh cell and supports the same 15W fast charging and charges over USB Type-C port. The Galaxy M40 is the first in the Galaxy M series to be powered by a Qualcomm chipset. It gets a 2 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 675 processor coupled with 6GB of RAM. You also get 128GB of internal storage with the M40, which is further expandable up to 512GB via a micro SD card. The Samsung Galaxy A50 is backed by the company's in-house Exynos 9610 octa-core processor, worked alongside 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, expandable up to 512GB via microSD card. There is also a 6GB RAM variant of this device. The Exynos 9610 utilizes ARM's old Cortex A73 performance cores, which work in conjunction with battery-efficient Cortex A53 cores. Consequently, you should expect better performance from a smartphone which is backed by newer Cortex A75 or A76, which is in this case a Galaxy M40. However, the performance of A50 is not bad either. Galaxy M40's connectivity features include 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, a fingerprint sensor at the back, and a USB Type-C port, but this lacks a 3.5mm audio jack. However, the company is offering USB Type-C earphones in the box. Galaxy A50 likewise features the same connectivity features with USB Type-C, and it has a 3.5mm headphone jack and an in-screen fingerprint scanner. Both of them run on the latest Android Pie with One UI skin. And that was the comparison. If you like it, then don't forget to show your support by like and subscribing. See you in the next one. Peace out.